Hi, I'm going to unbox a Hornby Flying Scotsman and let it a bit. Hornby usually protects its logos and carriages well. First slide the box open and then lift the plastic protection out of it. Then remove the sleeve and I'm almost there. Finally, I can handle the logo. Putting a DCC decoder in is not difficult. Just gently lift the rear coupling and loosen the screw. Then turn the logo and lift the tender. Lift the blank and place the decoder. I'm using a Zen Black decoder from DCC Concepts. Of course, before putting the tender hood back on, one should tidy things up. Then just see how it runs. Thanks for watching.